China's new AI robots are changing everything. The world thought robot evolution would take decades. But China just proved everyone wrong. In a matter of months, not years, a new generation of AI-powered humanoid robots has emerged. Robots that don't just copy human actions, they think, they adapt, and they learn through trial and error exactly like we do. A self-evolving world model that gives machines physical intuition. $1,300 humanoid robot designed for every home and classroom, and a compact robot strong enough to pull a 1,400-kilogram car by itself. This isn't sci-fi. It's happening right now, and it signals a future where humanoid robots blend into daily life faster than anyone expected. So, let's break down the innovations China just unleashed, because what's happening today might define the entire future of robotics tomorrow. The AI breakthrough that changes everything. Wow, robotics has had one major weakness for decades. Machines can see the world, but they can't truly understand it. They recognize objects, they follow instructions, they mimic movements, but they don't grasp why things happen the way they do. China just dropped a solution that could flip the entire industry upside down. A system called WOW, the World Omniscient World Model, the world's first self-evolving multimodal world model. It sounds technical, but the idea behind WOW is shockingly close to how humans learn. You touch something, you test it, you make mistakes, you refine your intuition over time. WOW gives robots that same loop of predict, analyze, refine. Instead of just watching the world, WOW lets AI interact with it. It imagines outcomes, checks what it predicted, and self-corrects repeatedly until it develops genuine physical common sense. Most AI models today simply watch videos and describe them. WOW questions the physics behind them. Why did the cup fall? Why did the ball bounce? What caused the object to slide? It's the first time an AI system can simulate reality, critique its own logic, and then teach itself to be more physically accurate. And here's what makes it even more groundbreaking. WOW is built on a 14 billion parameter architecture, combining a physical simulation engine, a vision language model, and a diffusion transformer system. Together, they allow robots to generate realistic predictions under plain language instructions. Move the cup to the edge without letting it fall. WOW doesn't just respond with text or animation. It simulates all possible outcomes, anticipates mistakes, adjusts its understanding, and acts only when it's confident in its reasoning. That's not just AI. That's embodied intelligence. The kind of intelligence robots will need to operate in homes, hospitals, oceans, forests, anywhere humans go. To push this system even further, China created a benchmark called WOW Bench. It measures a robot's ability to perceive, reason, predict, and execute actions across a wide range of scenarios. WOW already scored state-of-the-art results. Highest physical plausibility, strongest temporal consistency, best understanding of multi-step logic, most realistic prediction of future scenes. The model can even reconstruct scenes from new angles, simulate object movement, and act as a planning assistant to other AI systems by providing real-time feedback. This is the layer robots have always been missing: intuitive physics. The difference between watching the world and actually living in it. For decades, experts believed this barrier would take decades to crack. But China has not only cracked it, they've turned it into a working model, and it's only the beginning. Section 2, Boommy, the $1,370 humanoid robot, built for everyone. While WOW changes the brains of robotics, China revealed something that could change the business of robotics forever. Not a $20,000 robot, not a $90,000 robot. A functioning humanoid robot priced at just 9,998 yuan, around $1,370. Introducing Boommy, created by Robotics. It's small, about 3 feet tall, it weighs just 12 kilograms. But this little machine might be the spark that kicks off the consumer robot revolution. For years, humanoids were toys for researchers, engineers, or ultra-rich hobbyists. A luxury, a showpiece. Boommy flips the entire equation. It's designed for classrooms, homes, beginner robot programmers, STEM learning, interactive assistants, early AI education. And despite its tiny size, Boommy can walk, balance, turn, dance, respond to voice commands, and execute basic tasks with surprising smoothness. Think about the shift this represents. Smartphones became mass market when prices dropped below $500. Drones became mainstream when consumer models hit the $1,000 mark. 3D printers exploded when entry-level devices reached under $300. Now it's humanoid robots' turn. Boomy's low price isn't a miracle, it's clever engineering. Robotics used lightweight composite materials, a modular build for easy repair, an in-house motion control system, simplified hardware designs, and mass production-ready components. The result is a robot that isn't trying to compete with industrial giants like Unitree or UB Tech. Instead, it's creating an entirely new category: affordable humanoids for everyday use. It runs on a 48-volt battery with over 1.5 to 2 hours of usage per charge. It supports drag-and-drop graphical programming. Kids can literally code it using simple blocks. Adults can use it as a personal assistant. Teachers can use it as an interactive learning tool. And the demand is already exploding. Their previous robot, the Robotics N2, sold over 2,500 units and even completed a half marathon designed specifically for humanoids. Now, Boommy arrives just in time for China's Double 11 and Double 12 shopping festivals, the biggest buying season of the year. This is the exact moment smartphones had their breakthrough in the early 2000s, except this time, it's humanoid robots. You might look back on Boommy as the first robot that truly entered mainstream consumer markets. A small robot with giant strength. Unitree G1 pulls a 1.4-ton car, while Boommy aims for affordability. China also revealed something on the opposite side of the spectrum: raw robotic power and balance. Unitree's G1 Humanoid, a compact robot weighing just 35 kilograms, was given a shocking challenge. Pull a real car weighing 1,400 kilograms. Not a toy, not a prototype, a full heavy vehicle. And the G1 did it. The video shows it leaning back, planting its feet and pulling with rapid, controlled steps, all while maintaining perfect balance. No shaking, no wobbling, no falling, just pure precision. Dragging a huge object across smooth ground may look simple, but it's a nightmare of physics. A robot has to handle friction changes, load distribution, shifting center of gravity, continuous balance correction, micro adjustments thousands of times per second. Humans train for years to learn this kind of movement. The G1 does it autonomously. It's not just strength, it's comprehension, understanding of weight, friction, and momentum. This demonstration shows how far China's control systems and feedback loops have evolved. It also hints at what robots like the G1 will soon be capable of: carrying heavy equipment in factories, navigating uneven terrain for rescue missions, handling dangerous materials, transporting supplies across long distances, assisting in construction, supporting emergency operations. Unitree has always been known for flashy robots that flip, sprint, or self-recover. But this test wasn't a stunt. It was a sign that these machines are finally becoming practical. One major challenge still remains common across humanoids: hand dexterity. Walking, running, balancing, these are solved problems. But delicate manipulation, picking up fragile objects, buttoning a shirt, tying a knot, is still years away from perfection. Even so, China's pace suggests that once grasping improves, full domestic and industrial humanoid assistance will spread faster than anyone predicted. China's full robotics ecosystem. Zoom out and the bigger picture becomes clear. China isn't just building robots, it's building a robotics ecosystem. WOW provides intelligence. Boommy provides affordability. G1 provides strength and control. Startups provide manufacturing. Academies provide training data. Universities provide algorithms. Everything feeds everything else. This is why China's progress feels so fast. In the West, humanoids are still expensive prototypes. In China, they're becoming a full-scale industry. If this momentum continues, robots may enter homes faster than anyone expected, cooking simple meals, organizing items, helping the elderly, assisting teachers, and performing everyday tasks with genuine understanding. That's true embodied intelligence, and it's finally emerging. China's latest robotics wave proves one thing: the future isn't far away anymore. Robots don't need decades to evolve or massive budgets to enter our homes. All they needed was the right mix: AI that learns, hardware that scales, and prices ordinary people can afford. WOW gives robots the brain. Boommy brings robots to everyday life. Unitree shows the strength needed for real-world work. Step by step, a sci-fi future is becoming normal. And very soon, humanoid robots won't feel futuristic, they'll just feel familiar. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of AI and robotics.